हेलो गाइस, आज मैं आप लोगों को फार्माकोलॉजी पोस्ट सेमेस्टर का यूनिट नंबर 4 से 50 क्वेश्चन आप लोगों के सामने मैं डिस्कशन करने जा रहा हूं। सो लेट्स गो हेड। Essential drugs are life-saving drugs that meet the priority health care needs of the population, drugs that must be present in the emergency big of the doctor. Option number D, drugs are listed in the pharmacopoeia of a country. Option D, none of the above. Here the answer B, drugs that meet the priority health care needs of the population. And question number 2, an orphan drugs. Orphan means option A, very help cheap drugs. Option B, a drugs which has no therapeutic use. A drugs need for the treatment of prevent of a rare disease. Option D, a drugs which act as an orphan receptor. And option D, none of the above. Here the option C, the drugs need for the treatment rare disease. Question number 3, drugs administration through the following routes is most likely to subjected to first part metabolism: oral, sublingual, subcutaneous, rectal, all of the above. Oral. Question number 4, transdermal drugs delivery system of the following advantage except the procedure high peak plasma concentration of the drug. Option number 1, in addition to slow intravenous infusion, which of the following routes of administration allow for titration of the dose of drugs with the response? Sublingual, transdermal, inhalation, nasal infusion, and all of the above. Here the answer, inhalation. Which of the following drugs is administered by the intranasal spray and application of the systematic action? Here the option number, phenylphrine, desmopressin, aztreonate, beclomethasone, difluminate, all of the above. Here the answer, desmopressin. Question number 7, compound to subcutaneous injection, the intramuscular injection of the drugs in more painful, produce fast response, unstable for the depth preparation, carrier greater risk of anaphylactic reaction, none of the above. Here the option number B. Question number 8, select the route of administration which carry the high risk of the adversely affected vital function. Here the option number C, intravenous injection. Alkalization of urine hasten the excretion of hasten or excretion of. Option number B, weakly acid drugs. Majority of the drugs biological membrane primarily by the passive diffusion, facilitated diffusion, active transport, and pinnocide. Passive diffusion. Option number 1. Then next question after 10. Diffusion of the drugs across the cell membrane. 11 question is dependent upon the metabolism activity of the cell, is completely inhibited by the chemical related drugs, is affected by the extent of the ionization of the drugs molecule, exhibits saturation kinetics. Option number B is completely inhibited by the chemical related drugs. Which of the following drugs is most likely to be absorbed from the stomach? Absorbed from the morphine sulfate, diclofenac sodium, hyoscine hydrobamide, quinine dihydrobamide, none of the above. Here the option number B, diclofenac sodium. Which of the following is weakly acidic drugs? Which of the following weakly acidic drugs? Atropine sulfate, chloroquine phosphate, ephedrine hydrochloride, phenolphthalein sodium. Here the option number D, phenolphthalein sodium. The most important factor which govern diffusion of the drugs across capillary other than those in the brain is option number A, blood flow through the capillary. Blood flow through the capillary. Question number 15. Active transport of a substance across biological membrane has the following characteristics except it is specific, it is a pH dependent, it is saturable, it is require metabolic energy, all of the above. ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इट इज ए pH डिपेंडेंट नहीं होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, ट्राइसाइक्लिक एंटी डिप्रेसेंट कैन alter the oral absorption of many drugs by the option number complexing with other drugs the internal human, altering gut motility, altering gut flora, damaging gut mucosa, and none of the above. Here the answer B, altering gut motility. Question number 17. Bioavailability of the drugs refers to percentage of administration that reach systemic circulation in the unchanged form, ratio of oral to parenteral dose, ratio of oral administration drugs to the excreted in feces, ratio of the drugs excreted unchanged in urine to that excreted as metabolism, none of the above. Here the answer A. Bioavailability difference among oral formulation of the drugs are most likely to occur if the drugs is free water soluble, is completely absorbed, is incompletely absorbed, undergo little fast metabolism, yeah, all of the above. Here the answer is incompletely absorbed. Question number 90. The most important factor governing absorption of the drugs from intake skin. Molecular weight of the drugs, site of application, lipid solubility of the drugs, nature of base used of formulation, none of the above. Here the option number C. Let's go ahead after 19 question. Question number 20. The following attribute of a drugs depend on reduced its volume distribution: high lipid solubility, low ionization of physiological pH value, high plasma protein binding, high tissue binding, none of the above. Here the answer number C, high plasma protein binding. The blood-brain barrier, which restricts entry of many drugs into brain, is constituted by P-glycoprotein, efflux carrier in brain capillary cell, tight junction between endothelic cell to brain capillary, enzyme present in brain capillary wall, all of the above, yeah, none of the above. Here the answer, all of the above. Biotransformation of drugs is primarily directed to active drugs, inactive drugs, convert lipid soluble drugs into non-lipid soluble drugs, convert non-lipid soluble drugs into lipid soluble drugs. Here the answer, convert lipid soluble drugs into non-lipid soluble. Question number 23. Which of the following is produced? Hydralazine, chlorine, captopril, enalapril, all of the above. Here the option, enalapril. Which of the following types of drugs metabolic enzyme are indissoluble? Macrosomal enzyme, non-macrosomal enzyme, both macrosomal and non-macrosomal enzyme, and mitochondrial enzyme. Drugs metabolic enzyme are inducible or macrosomal enzyme. If the drugs essential, if drugs is created in urine at the rate of 10 mg per hour at the steady state, plasma concentration 5 mg per liter, then the renal clearance is option number B, 2 liter per hour. Here, why how 2 liter comes out? Here the renal clearance is equal to rate of excreted urine by the plasma concentration, means 2 liter per hour. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a primary fundamental but a derived pharmacokinetics parameter? Option A, bioavailability, volume of distribution, clearance, plasma half-life, and none of the above. Here the option D, plasma half-life. If a drug is eliminated by the first order kinetics, if a drug eliminated by the first order kinetics, a constant amount of a drug will be eliminated per unit time. Its clearance value will remain constant. Its eliminate half-life will be increased with the dose. It will completely eliminated from the body into half-life period. Here the option number B, its clearance value will be remain constant, because first order kinetics independent. Question number 28. If a drug has constant bioavailability and first order elimination, its maintenance dose rate will be directly proportional to its volume of distribution, plasma protein binding, lipid solubility, and total body clearance, and none of the above. Here the option number total body clearance. Question number 29. The following is competitive types of enzyme inhibitor: acetozolamide, disulfiram, physiostigmine, theophylline, none of the above. Here the option number theophylline. Partial agonist can antagonist the effect of full agonist because it has high affinity but low intrinsic activity. After 31 to 39. The flowing receptor type has 7 helical membrane spanning amino acid segmented with the 3 extracellular and 3 intracellular steps. Here the answer: tyrosine protein kinase receptor, gene expression regulation receptor, intrinsic ion channel containing receptor, and G protein coupled receptor, या none of the above. Here the 7 helical membrane spanning amino acid segmented with 3 extracellular and 3 intracellular G protein coupled receptor. After 32, which of the following G protein coupled receptor? Muscarine chlorogenic receptor, nicotinic chlorogenic receptor, glucocorticoid receptor, insulin receptor, या all of the above. Muscarinic receptor, chlorogenic receptor. Which of the following G protein coupled receptor? Muscarinic chlorogenic receptor. The following receptor has an intrinsic ion channel: histamine H receptor, histamine H2 receptor, adrenergic alpha receptor, GABA benzodiazepine receptor. Here the option number D, GABA benzodiazepine receptor, intrinsic ion receptor, GABA benzodiazepine receptor. All of the following substance is intercellular second messenger receptor mediated single transaction except cyclic AMP, ionosyl trisulfide, diglycerol, G protein. Here the option number D, G protein. The receptor transaction mechanism with the first time course of response application is adenyl cyclase, cyclic AMP pathway, phospholipase, CYP3, DAG pathway, Intragenic ion channel operation, protein synthesis modulation. Here the option number C, intragenic ion channel operation. Question number 36. The following statement is not true of lung dose response curve. It is almost linear except at the end. It is a regular hyperbola. It facilitates comparison of different agonists. It can help discrimination between the competitive and non-competitive antagonists. Here the option number B, it is rectangular hyperbola. Question number 37. When therapeutic effect decline both below and above narrow range of the dose, a drug is said to exhibit cleaning effect, denization effect, therapeutic window phenomenon, non-receptor medicated action. Here the option number C, therapeutic window phenomenon. Which of the following drugs exhibited therapeutic window phenomenon? Captopril, furosemide, diazepam, imipramine. Here the option number D, imipramine. Drugs efficacy refers to the rare of the disease in which the drugs beneficial, the maximum intensity of response that can be produced by the drugs, the dose of the drugs necessary to produce half material effect, does the drugs need to produce therapeutic effect. Here the option number B, maximum intensify of response to can produce the drugs. After 39, 40. If the dose response curve of the drugs for the producing different action are widely separated on the dose axis, the drugs is highly potent, highly efficient, highly toxic, highly selective, none of the above. Here the option number D, highly selective. The therapeutic index of the drugs is measured of safety, potency, efficacy, and dose variability, all of the above. Safety, therapeutic index drugs is measure of the safety. Let's get 1A. If the effect of combination of two drugs is equal to the sum of their individual effects, the two drugs are exhibited potential synergism, cross synergism, antagonism. Here the synergism. The antagonism between adrenaline and histamine called physiological antagonism because both are physiological present in the body. They act on physiological receptor. Both affect the many physiological processes. They have the opposite physiological effect. Here the option number D, antagonism means opposite reaction of chlorosine. A drugs are producing no response by itself cause the log dose response curve of another drugs S to shift to the right in a parallel manner without decreasing the maximum response. Drugs are partial agonist, inverse agonist, competitive agonist, non-competitive agonist, none of the above. Here the option number C, competitive antagonist. The following is a competitive antagonist of GABA but the non-competitive antagonist of diazepam: picrotoxin, mesclomol, flumazenil, biclelin, all of the above. Here the answer biclelin. Question number 46. The dose of the following classes of drugs has to adjust by the repeated measurement of the affected physiological parameter: oral contraceptive, anti-epileptic, antidepressant, oral anticoagulant, none of the above. Here the answer oral anticoagulants. A drug which is generally administered in the standard dose without the needs of the dose individually: insulin, mebendazole, prednisolone, dexamethasone. Option number B, mebendazole. fixed dose combination formulation are not necessarily appropriate for drugs administration in standard dose drugs acting by the same mechanism. Anti-butyric drug, antihypertensive drug, none of the above. Here the option number B, drugs acting by the same mechanism. A fixed dose combination preparation meant for internal use must not contain the following classes of drugs: diazid, diuretic, fluticasone, the antimicrobial, corticosteroid. Here the option number C, corticosteroid. Here the option number C. Question number 50. The pharmacokinetics of the drugs in the neoteny differ from the adult because they are the intestinal transit fact. Drugs metabolize enzyme are overactive. Tubular transport mechanism are the all developed. None of the above. Here the option number C, tubular transport mechanism are none well developed. तो गाइस आज का 50 क्वेश्चन ख़त्म हो गया है. Then after this video, after 50 question uploaded by the next day.